Welcome to our garden oasis. Today we're diving into the surprisingly versatile world of baking soda. You might know it as a kitchen staple, but it's also a powerful ally in your garden. Get ready to discover 10 practical tips that will transform your gardening experience, all while keeping things eco-friendly and sustainable. Let's start with our first tip, battling pesky pests. Did you know that a simple mixture of baking soda and water can help deter aphids and other insects? Just spray your plants and watch those bugs disappear. Moving on to tip number 2, combating fungal diseases. Mix baking soda with water and a bit of liquid soap to create a natural fungicide. Apply this to your plants to prevent issues like powdery mildew, keeping your garden healthy and thriving. For our third tip, let's talk about enhancing soil health. Sprinkle a little baking soda on your soil to neutralize acidity. This is particularly helpful for plants that prefer alkaline conditions, ensuring they grow strong and vibrant. Tip 4 focuses on cleaning your garden tools. Baking soda is a gentle abrasive, perfect for scrubbing away dirt and rust, leaving your tools spotless and ready for action. Next, tip 5 addresses unwanted weeds. A sprinkle of baking soda in cracks and crevices can hinder weed growth, keeping your pathways and patios looking pristine without harsh chemicals. Tip 6 is all about sweetening your tomatoes. If your tomatoes are tasting too tart, try adding a touch of baking soda to the soil around the plants. This can help reduce acidity and enhance their natural sweetness. Our 7th tip is a natural deodorizer for compost piles. A light dusting of baking soda can neutralize odors without affecting the composting process, making your garden a more pleasant place to be. Tip 8 helps revive your roses. Sprinkle baking soda at the base of rose bushes to help combat black spot disease, promoting healthier blooms. For tip 9, we're focusing on keeping your garden path clear. Sprinkle baking soda on slippery areas to increase traction and prevent accidents. Finally, tip 10 is a recipe for a natural insect repellent. Combine baking soda with flour and a bit of powdered sugar to create a mixture that deters ants and other unwanted critters. And there you have it. 10 innovative and environmentally friendly ways to use baking soda in your garden. These tips not only help your garden flourish, but also contribute to a more sustainable future. Thanks for joining us on this green journey. Happy gardening!